So hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are good. And the previous videos, a lot of people are enjoyed with multi layers. This time it will become something like mastering of 90-degree layer cut, and just almost we just ground box section, and just we taking going to be take with the subsections, and ear to ear we're separating with now. And this haircut is something like long layers. You can just see in long hair of like 90-degree haircut. In this it will be same length will be going to collapse in this haircut, and the rest of the hair you can just see ultimately neat and finishing layers. And apart from the head shape and hair lengths where have to be exactly cut with the opposite to 90-degree haircut, you can just pin to pin, point to point, you can just used to see in this video. Please watch the end and you can just see complete to the video how it will be going to be cut to the proper of 90-degree haircut, and definitely you will be learn from this is proper unique video, and also it's most worth, and it will be most probably very much important video for fresher guys and big. So all the side sections we just take separated, and just very soon we just going back. And the back portion also, the occipital bone to the nape area we just take to the separate. You can just see that. The sectioning is very important to be the completely to the measuring to the according to the haircut, what you plan for and how would like to cut the hair, and these are majorly it's concerned for the sectioning. For any of layer cut you can just do or take whatever it is. And now we come to back portion of one length. So every haircut is one length is most probably it's required for certain haircuts, might not. The layers and elevations, layers kind of things, it will be most probably required for a one length basic haircut. So we almost done the one length, and everything is even. Now we can just start to the 90-degree up to the exactly with the nape area, just rest of the hair whatever is comes chopped. So that easy, you can just see the sharp gripping and just elevating very properly, and each and every strands are coming out with exactly guidelines. See one more section, you can just see the proper guidelines and just gripping and just following the hair completely neat and clean, very uniform in that case. Another side we just came. As much as thin section you can just get, that much you can just get guidelines, and haircut also follow very good. Cut also finish as soon as possible. And another section we just going to be take. So last section is got pending, and just see how easy and how simple to be get a 90-degree haircut to the easy. So I thought you guys are seeing in thumbnail very clearly there is mastering of 90-degree haircut. So same things we just going to be presenting in this video. They're never going to be disappoint for any viewers and all. That nape area sections also be released, crown portions, and just we just take with the rest of the hair cut. The previous haircuts was done is certain hair, and this rest of the hair whatever is comes to the 90-degree we can just elevating and just checking, and rest of the hair blending 90 shapes overall. You can just see the bottom guideline we just take, rest of the hair going to be chopped. So that easy to the haircut to do, and elevating the haircuts whichever you want. Everyone used to say that exactly we have to hold with the 90-degree opposite to the roots. Exactly that is right. Hold your hair 90-degree opposite to the roots. So that is completely look like 90-degree haircut in that. So last section is got pending, it's going to finish soon. So in case if you have any other doubts and any queries, please comments below. I'll update for you. And for more related videos mentioned in description, please do watch, and just please follow me in Insta and Facebook page as well. We will be update for you all the details and small sectioning and just short videos as well. Now you can just see the next complete take with another side with a small section, and just going to be cut the rest half the hair. Another side section and rest of the hair cut. And last section is going to be painting, is going to finish. You can just see how we hold and rest of the hair chop. So to the back portions you guys all understand, and just we came back to the side section now. Just take with exactly pulled out with opposite to the ears, and rest of the hair cut. So that easy the haircut. You can just whenever you will be take to the sections and guidelines, and these are most of the times we need very consistently. We can just take to the proper guidelines and holding structure and body language and where we standing and positions. These matters can be complete to the any of haircuts to depends and finishing. People all must be follow the handling, holding and position and standing. These are major things to be going to be decided by the any of layer cuts. So please follow that tricks too. This is my small suggestion for hairdressers. And another side we just came, and the same thing we just going to following it up in this technique. The small section, the rest of the hair cut. See that easy the haircut when you follow the guideline. So 2 more sections are left. It will going to finish soon. You can just see how it will be going to finish the haircut. Last section is got pending. It's going to finish now. So now we come to the crown portion. This we exactly pick with a crown section in the guideline from the back center crown, and just rest of the hair exactly cut with a 90 degree. There you can just see the guideline and rest of the hair cut. So hope you all understand, and also the haircut manuality also is very easy to understand, and the techniques also is pretty much easy to be pin to pin to be understand the sharply. You can just holding strengthen and guidelines and all. And the right side one's last section is got finish. So other side is 2 sections are left. It's going to completely cut finished. So almost my cut was finished. Now we can just shaking up to the layers. You can just see a lot of movements, and just when we shake to the hair and front part, you can just see the length was slightly, you can just see the V shape or all the back, and from the side base, from the back it will be V tail also, you can just see. Now we blow dry with root shoot booster and completely to make up to the exposing to the sharp layers edges, and cut will be going to finish as of now. It's almost done cut. And hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please do like. If you have any other questions or queries, please comments below. We'll be definitely solve that problems. You can see completely how it will parallel, it will be going to shaking up to the layers, how it's visible over all the layers and all. So that is complete presentation of the 90-degree haircut with mastering up to the 90-degree techniques up to the layers. So hope you all are understand, I think so. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe, and please share with your friends for more updates. So we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care, be safe.